everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will be making a chicken salad. This salad recipe is very delicious and really quick to make. This recipe is also very creamy and yummy. If you guys like the sound of this video, make sure to stay tuned. Start by cutting 6 to 7 pieces of lettuce. Next, cut half of a cucumber in small triangles. Then you're going to dice a small piece of red onion. Make sure you don't add too much because red onion is really strong. Also dice 1 clove of garlic. We're almost done. Next, add a few stems of cilantro. Finally, we're going to add 1 whole avocado. Next, we're gonna add our chicken, and just so it was easier for me, all I did was take some already cooked chicken from the store and shredded it up and added a few seasonings like salt, pepper, and parsley. The last thing we're gonna do is make our creamy salad dressing. We're gonna use garlic, sour cream, lemon juice, and seasonings like parsley, oregano, and black pepper. All so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos and recipes. Also, make sure to turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I make a new video. Just so you guys know, a lot of people are starting school in about 1 week, and you guys are gonna need some lunch recipes that are quick and easy to make. So for next week's video, that is what I'll be showing you guys, and I'll show you guys probably 3 to 4 recipes that are very easy and yummy, and they just have everything that you need for lunch. So if you guys like the sound of the upcoming video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!